Jet again. Today we're going to be opening this foam fighter that is a remote controller, and we already played with it, but I put it back in the box just to show you. So we have a remote controller for. There is some extra wings and a extra wheel. Okay, so this is the battery. So you have to plug this in and then put this in. And then when it's charged, you unplug this. And then you have to open the jet up. And you see this thing? You have to plug it in. And then you put the battery in and push this down and then close it, and then it's charged. The batteries that are in the remote are AAA that you need to buy separately. You can find it at RyderKids.com under Jets.Picks. So let's go and test it out.
So I thought it was just going to flap to the ground, but actually it goes really high and it does lots of things. It can go upside down and it goes really far.
That was a success.